Lone Pine State Park. As you can see, here's the map. I'm not sure. My Uber dropped me off down here. I think I wanted to start back like over here. So I'm gonna have to walk a little bit extra, but I think I want to go to the scenic overlook so we can see the mountains. There's a caterpillar over there. He just scared me. But this looks really nice. And they're open till sunset, so I've got plenty of time to check it out. And then here's like all of Montana's craziness. So much going on. Haven't even left the parking lot yet, and we have this beautiful view. I honestly don't know what we're looking at, but mountains nonetheless. There's a visitor center here too, which is really nice. It looks like you can go around the other side. I've seen a couple of birds, wildlife wise. Couldn't tell what they were because the sun was blinding me, but oh, look at the side, so pretty. Like I said, they have a visitor center, which I wonder if people are looking at me through the windows. But I just can't get over how pretty it is here. It's very quiet. There's a lot of people who took the shortest trail, and there's definitely longer trails than the one I'm taking. I think the one I'm taking is almost 2 miles. But it's just so quiet, and you guys can hear the birds, and it's crazy. I hope it's coming up on camera too, because they sound really beautiful. I don't know what types of birds they are, but they sound pretty. I haven't really seen many. I've seen a chipmunk, some birds, and then some bees, but not much else. Pretty quiet. Some of the reviews for this place did say that they see deer in the morning up here, which would be really, really cool, but I wanted to make sure I could do this hike before, if I get too busy on Friday or something else comes up, I want to make sure I could do it before I leave Montana, because who knows if I'll ever be able to come back. But it's so, so pretty here. Like, can you believe how green it is? Wow.